My name is Trevor. And this year, I became an FPV drone pilot. I started flying in a simulator and it was much harder than I had anticipated. After flying and crashing for hours, I was finally confident enough to venture outside into the real world. I found brands who believed in me enough to pay me for my newfound passion. And the more I flew, the more I was captivated by Earth's beauty from above. It was as if I had unlocked a new perspective that I didn't know was out there. It was something new that made life exciting. Honestly, I felt more alive with the goggles on than without them. It's in these moments of flying where I truly felt alive. So, here is my year from the skies.